1. Before starting calibration, fill the tank with sufficient pesticide as full as possible. Ensure there is still pesticide left in the tank after calibration. Also, make sure there is a large enough container under the spray nozzles to collect all sprayed pesticide. Note: the container must cover above the spreader turntable to prevent pesticide from splashing outwards. 2. Open the ground station and tap Device Management. Enter Spreader. 3. Click Add Calibration. Enter the name of the new material. Tap Confirm. Before calibration, ensure the weighing sensor is working properly. Set the turntable speed to match the working speed. Do not change it after calibration. Catch the material at the discharge outlet. 4. Click Start Calibration. The valve will gradually increase from the minimum value until it reaches a threshold. Normally, the valve opening will go through multiple stages. A linear graph of application rate vs. time will be generated automatically. Just wait for the automatic calibration to finish. When calibration is complete, click Confirm. 5. Click Spreading Material Management to view the calibration graph. The relationship between spreading material and time will be displayed. The vertical axis represents flow rate, and the horizontal axis represents valve opening. The red dot is calculated based on current working parameters: application rate per mu, flight speed, row spacing. As shown in the figure, if the red dot is within the range, the parameters are correctly set. If the red dot is outside the range, the parameters are incorrect. Do not operate, adjust the parameters first. Thanks for watching.